Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily stop a scan on your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So, whenever you open the scanner lid and here you place your paper as you're supposed to, then basically you will have an option to scan it right here. So what you guys want to do whenever something freezes or you're lagging, so basically nothing works, what you guys can do to stop the scanning process is to click this little button here. It can help, and I would not recommend you guys to do that, but you guys can also unplug it from the power. It's not safe, but it still works. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.